My lovely Pisceans, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Pisceans, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Pisceans, before we begin this reading, a couple of points I want to clarify here. Today or rather for this month, I am changing the pattern of the reading. I am going to do a 5-card reading followed by a few oracle cards, okay? I'll be also pulling a crystal healing card for you guys for this month, okay? Now crystals will tell you which aspect of you needs healing, okay? Which aspects need your attention and where you need to heal either physically or spiritually, okay? So please stay tuned till the end of the reading. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, okay? So yeah, let's get started guys with your energy. So Pisceans, I was getting energy of someone who is wanting to communicate or express his or her feelings, okay? The urge was so strong. Someone wants to communicate something to someone so badly but is not communicating for some reasons or is not able to communicate for some reasons, and that is making that person extremely restless. I felt a lot of restlessness, okay? Guys, definitely try to talk, try to speak out, try to talk to a confidant if you have anyone, okay, or maybe a professional counselor, therapist, or a friend, philosopher, guide, whoever you trust, okay? If nothing, no options are available, then write a diary but express yourself. I really am feeling someone who is like dying to communicate his or her feelings is what I could sense very strongly. Communication is the word that kept on coming to my mind. I also am feeling extremely sleepy while doing this reading, guys. I'm really sorry for that, but that's the energy that is coming in strongly. So if you are not sleeping well, please do make it a point that you rest enough, you sleep enough, otherwise you'll end up falling sick, guys. Please do take care of your emotional and physical well-being, especially during these days, okay? You can't afford to fall sick. So with that guys, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys for this month of June 2021. Yeah, emotions, oh my god. Oh my god, what is it guys? Okay, so okay, 4 of swords, 5 of swords, okay, 7 of wands. What is happening guys? So the thing is guys, these are 3 cards indicating your present, past and future blockages and possible outcome, okay? So without wasting much time, let's get started. The current energy is that of Knight of Cups. Didn't I say that? Someone is trying to express his or her feelings, okay? This could be you or it could be another energy wanting to come towards you, okay? But is very hesitant, okay? There are a lot of emotions, there are a lot of feelings that someone wants to express but is not able to. For some reason, this energy is extremely hesitant and holding back in expressing, in terms of expressing his or her feelings. So if this is you or if this is someone else, just make sure that you just emote whatever it is that you are wanting to express. I would really like to clarify also this Knight of Cups. Okay, give me a second guys. Sorry guys, the cards had just fallen across. So guys, 3 cards have come and oh my god, the reading is ruled by water so far. Okay, water is again your sign, so you have heavily water in your charts, in other placements also, okay? Or you must be dealing with a fellow water sign. Pisces, Scorpio and Cancer, okay? So the Knight of Cups is clarified by 7 of Cups, 9 of Cups and King of Wands. Now I really feel this is someone wanting to come and express his or her feelings to you. This is someone else's energy that you are you're experiencing very dominantly. Okay, someone definitely wants to come and express his or her feelings to you, his or her thoughts to you. That person has emotions all over the place. Okay, that person is confused as to how to approach you. Okay, how to come and approach you. That person sees you as his or her wish fulfillment, guys. There's a lot of love, lot of emotions that I'm seeing over here, lot of confusion, lot of mind clutter, not able to decide how to come and talk to you is what I'm seeing over here. Again, the energies can be reversed, but I strongly feel this is someone else's energy who is wanting to express and come and communicate with you. King of Wands, that person is really passionate about you, guys. That person has lot of emotions, lot of passion for you, wants to have new beginning with you, guys, is what I'm seeing over here. Yes, definitely someone who is very much passionate as a person, okay, and also holds a lot of passion and emotions for you as well, is what I'm seeing over here. The energy in your recent past is that of King of Cups. Now this could be your or someone else's energy, but this is someone who is extremely emotional. I feel now these are two different energies, guys. See these two kings, okay, one is extremely emotional, one is extremely practical. Okay, I feel these are two different energies. Okay, or a person having this two stark personality types to his or her own persona. Okay, both sides are extremely strong in this person, one emotional and one practical. Like he or she has a perfect balance of emotional as well as practical aspects of life. Okay, and this person is wanting to reach out to you, wanting to have some solid bond or connect with you. Okay, that's what I'm seeing over here. Wants to communicate with you, basically just communicate with you is what I'm seeing very strongly over here. The energy in your immediate future is that of Fool. Now this is someone who is wanting to break free, wanting to take that leap. Okay, there are certain lessons learned. Okay, there are certain lessons that you will learn, okay, about life in general, that will make you want to make a fresh start. Okay, you want to have a fresh start, fresh beginning in certain aspect of your life. Okay, maybe at career front or maybe at a personal front. Okay, but it's like wanting to start from ground zero. Okay, like wanting to start with a clean slate is what I'm seeing over here. Yes, in your blockage and your advice there is Three of Swords and Temperance card. Now I feel, guys, you what do I say, you guys really need to balance your energies. Okay, this is a Sagittarian energy. Maybe you have Sagittarius somewhere in your chart, but basically the ask over here is you really need to balance out your energies. Right now you are feeling quite cluttered. Okay, quite confused maybe, or your emotions are all over the place is what I'm seeing over here. So just calm down, try to meditate a little. Okay, try to rationalize. Okay, don't get carried away by emotions or don't get swayed away by too much of practicality. I feel that you're being a little too emotional right now is what I'm seeing. You're not being rational or practical is what I'm seeing, and that is the balance that you need to strike out is what I'm getting. Let's clarify this Three of Swords. Why Three of Swords? Though there is Four of Swords and Five of Swords in your overall energy. So some sort of deception over here, some sort of heartbreak I'm seeing over here. Let's see what it is. Guys, now this is interesting. Now the Three of Swords is clarified by Tower. Now there has been for sure some kind of a major event that has happened in your life, incident in your life, that this Tower has come crashing down. Okay, and it has caused you a lot of heartache, I mean, this Three of Swords is a it's a very painful energy. I'm really sorry you guys have to go through this. Seeing the pandemic situation, it could be loss in your circle. Okay, friends, family, that could also be the case, but whatever it is, it has been a life-changing event. Some lessons learned very hard, because this, like I said, this Fool always talks about starting afresh. Okay, it's about learning some karmic lesson, and this Tower and this Fool, they are definitely going hand in hand, guys. There are some big major lessons that you have learned in recent past is what I'm seeing over here. I know it is a painful phase, but like I said, you have to go through certain events, go through certain incidents. Okay, life, every lifetime or every birth we take, we have to learn certain lessons, and this is your this is that phase of yours wherein you are supposed to learn those lessons. So pay attention to those learnings, pay attention to those teachings that the universe is wanting to offer to you. Yeah, 4 of swords, 3 of swords, 4 of swords, and 5 of swords. So definitely not a very pleasant energy, guys. You're not probably communicating with someone. Okay, someone has broken your heart very, very badly. Okay, I can also sense a broken trust over here. Okay, something which has, yes, definitely could be a case of broken trust also. Okay, someone you trusted a lot and that person just kind of let you down big time is what I'm seeing over here. And I'm sure that has hurt or that has bitten you really hard, and you're kind of trying to come out of it or trying to heal through it. Definitely you have cut ties with someone, you are not communicating with someone, and I think this is not a temporary thing. This is a permanent crack that I'm seeing in someone's bond or relationship or whatever this association was. I'm really sorry, guys, you had to go through this, but yeah, that's how life is. It's not pleasant all the times. Let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, your dreams need a practical plan. So to whoever this resonates, guys, if you have any plans, make sure that you are taking the right actions in those direction also. Okay, it's not enough to just keep on making plans, you need to take the right actions also. So to whoever, this is a very specific message to whoever this resonates. Make sure that you are working out the right steps also to match with your dreams. Okay, so yeah, let's see what message we have for you guys from this beautiful angel deck. Oh my goodness, guys, look at what has popped up. Okay, so the first card that had flipped was within next few weeks. Okay, so this is some time, this is some kind of a timeline for someone. Okay, if you are manifesting something or some new energies are about to enter your life, the timeline for this is within next few weeks. Okay, now I wanted to seek clarification for this, and these two cards flipped. Okay, romance and a yes, a big yes. So I really feel that guys, you are going to have a new beginning in terms of love life. Someone of you guys, I mean, this is definitely a specific message, but definitely someone's personal life in terms of romantic relationship is going to kick off very soon, probably within next few weeks. And whoever this knight or king energy is, okay, knight of cups or king of cups or even king of wands energy is, I think you guys you're going to say yes to this energy. Okay, this is going to be a beginning of new romantic cycle. Or if it is you who is wanting to approach someone, then this message could be for you guys, that your dreams need a practical plan. Okay, just making a wish and sitting there is not going to help you. You really need to chalk out, plan out how to communicate or express your feelings to that person, and in all probability that person is going to say yes. I really am liking the energy of these angel cards that we have got for you guys, Pisceans. I am really curious to know what happens with you guys. Like I said, I'm going to pull one crystal healing card for you guys. I'm very curious to know what card comes out for you guys now. Let's see. So guys, the card that has come out for you, the crystal that has come out for you for the month of June is Flint. It's a lovely crystal. It's looking like a moon to me. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. Such a lovely crystal, guys. Let's see what message this crystal is carrying for you guys. Now, Flint is indicative of portal power. Okay, it stabilizes energy and cuts through to the core of issues, clearing blockages and loosening ties. It opens portals to other worlds and hidden aspects of yourself. You are a person with profound inner depths. Do not be afraid to explore this hidden side. It contains treasure beyond knowing, together with attitudinal karma and repressed emotions affecting well-being. Flint connects you to ancestors. A natural traveler, you know how to negotiate the shamanic underworld to obtain healing insights. Strengthen your boundaries. Cut through confusion to the core of the matter. Yes, you don't need to be confused, guys. I see a lot of confusion in your energy. Soul retrieval is necessary if you left any part of yourself in another life or an abusive childhood experience. An unwelcome visitor from the past can be left behind, but recognize lessons before you move on. Yeah, definitely you need to learn your lessons, guys. Whatever this tower moment has been, please make sure you have learned your lessons, okay? That's what is very important. Pay attention to energetic boundaries and core strength, cutting detrimental ties and strengthening your connection to planet maintains well-being. Okay, that's the healing message for you guys. So you need to cut ties or cut cords with everything that is negative and bringing your energies down. Okay, that will help you stay grounded, and it will help your healing process as a spiritual being and as a human being in this human body. Okay, so Pisceans, I'll leave it at that. If this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please drop comments and communicate your experiences. Like the video if it's your story. Okay, do let me know how you like this pattern. Okay, do share your feedback with me. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly. Now guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.